Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. So I told you I wanted to start featuring just home decor and rooms specifically that I have loved for the previous month, and we are in October. So I will tell you this month, I guess I was just feeling really wild. I am loving animal prints and bright rooms, so I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so let's start with this room, guys. There is a whole lot going on in the room. I know some of you are cringing right now, but for some reason I actually liked it. It feels cozy. As you can tell, it's not a large room, from the wallpaper to even the TV hanging. Like, I am a sucker for a beautiful room. However, it still has to feel realistic for me. It has to be somewhere I can actually live and just not a showroom. So most of you already know I am a sucker for green. I just really am into green right now. And this green kind of smallish sectional is so pretty and relaxing to me. And then you have the energy of these animal print chairs, and I like how it coordinates. The throw pillows on the chairs match the sofa, and the throw pillows on the sofa match the chairs. What a great way to tie in a room. I love that soothing, relaxing wallpaper, which to me is a great balance with the energy, the vibrancy of that animal print. And then last but not least, I love the lamp. Look at it. And if you look at the very top, you see the gold leaves hanging off. I just feel like this room was done really well. And like I said, it's not a huge sprawling room. It's actually just a small room, but a small room done right. So I fear you guys are going to be seeing a lot of dramatic rooms for this video. It's just what I'm into. Let's take a look at the chandelier, almost like bubbles, you know. I love, love, love the black room and the black curtains, even the black crown molding up there. That looks to be about like 6 inches maybe. Very nice. The black mantle. But as you see, the furniture of the room really pops out. And the background of the room is the walls, the fireplace, the curtains, the crown molding. It all kind of makes this beautiful neutral background, because black can be neutral, but neutral background for all this color, this beautiful color palette that you have going on, from the, of course, green sofa, like I said I'm into, to that beautiful rug, the chairs. And I love that this room actually implemented a lot of nature in it. I see the plants, I love them. I think this is a really gorgeous room as well. So this is another room that just screams energy. There's so much movement in this room. There's so many different fluid pieces, from the texture of that console over there, I mean, to the, it looks like rawhide ottomans, the movement of the table, the throw pillows, the plant. I love everything. And it looks like that is a window with actually a room divider in front of it. I don't really know the reasoning, maybe to block out some of the sunlight, maybe just for the picture, but I actually thought it was a pretty cool touch. And I love that ceiling little light fixture. Don't really know if I want to call it a chandelier. This room is gorgeous to me. Alright guys, not gonna lie, this is maybe my favorite room this month, or last month I guess, for October. It's just so easy to achieve in your home, but yet it makes such a statement. Starting with that beautiful mirrored coffee table, you have a very neutral seating furniture as far as the love seat, the chairs. Then you have that pop of color and life with the animal throw pillows as well as the animal print chairs. Like I said, this is my vibe for a living room. I love it. It's relaxing, it's very chic, it's modern, it has a lot of life in it. I love this. Another one of my faves. You guys, this room has a lot going on. I'm not gonna lie and say that it doesn't. However, I like it. The animal print sofa is definitely a risk for me. I probably would not go this way, just because I like to have a neutral sofa. That way I can switch out pillows and keep it longer, but I love this. Of course, the coffee table decor, Tom Ford, Gucci books. I love that black and white striped room next, but I wanted to point out something in this room. First off, love that gold bar cart. I actually just ordered one like it and I love it. But with this room, as you can tell, it doesn't really have windows behind the sofa. So what this homeowner did was to place mirrors behind curtains because, like we've talked about with mirrors, they will reflect the light of the window opposite of it. So it almost gives the idea of having two windows there, which is going to brighten up your room dramatically. So really quickly, I wanted to show you this little reading nook. I love the color, I love the animal print, I love the elements of nature. Honestly, I'd probably switch up some of the artwork, just being honest. It's just not my style, but it's someone's style. And you can see that they have beautifully decorated it with a nice little, almost Victorian, maybe era gallery wall. I think it's very pretty, and that light coming in is just the perfect aesthetic for a reading nook. So for a bedroom, I just thought this room was perfect. It's soothing, it's natural, it's neutral, it's relaxing. I love everything about this room. Now, I'm usually not an all white or light person. I love pops of color, but this room really speaks to me. It looks like the bed itself is a gray velour. I mean, the curtains that of course you can close. I love windows with curtains that you can close. I know aesthetically some people just like the curtains to kind of be on the side, but I like to close mine because if I want to sleep in, I'm not trying to have the sun come in the window and 6 a.m. I am up. This room just screams stay in bed all weekend. Alright friends, so something else I've really been into, I'm saying this month, actually it's last month, is this natural, modern, organic feel. I am loving it. How the room is neutral, but then you have some pops of organic materials. In this case, the barn doors, the drawer fronts, the leather chairs themselves, and that beautiful kind of wooden color, even though the material is leather. This room is very chic, very modern, yet relaxing at the same time. Another room that totally fits the motif of natural, modern, organic. Look at basically everything in this room is elements of nature, from that table in between the two chairs to the baskets under the wooden table, even the window treatments, and something amazing. Look at the throw pillows. That brown suede fringe one actually looks like wood. This room is heaven to me, and I feel like if you are a nature lover, this is a room that you would like because it really gives you the ability to connect with nature inside as well as outside. So one more room that definitely showed the natural, modern, organic look is this room. I loved it. I love that living coffee table. I mean, of course it's wood, we can see that, but it just looks like it's living, no? I like that. And of course it corresponds or matches with that chair and those beams on the ceiling. What a beautiful way. I love the modern feel of that table and the two ottomans. And of course, I love that light fixture as well. So I know I told you earlier my favorite room was probably the one with the animal print throw cushions, but this is a close second, and honestly, I'm shocked. I'm not really this type of person, but something about this room works perfectly, from the wood beams to the openness of it, all the windows and the light pouring in, what looks to be almost similar or a faux concrete coffee table, the beautiful pink ottomans, and those three chandeliers are just beautiful as well. Let me know what you think about it. Alright guys, so we have made it to the end of our video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course, subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel out a lot. If you want to see some more videos, check out one of these. They're some of my favorite. And I'll just see you in the next video. Bye guys.